Hey, hey, I hope you are having an awesome day today. I wanted to jump on and talk about lips today because there's a couple things that we're moving into the season of. And so the first thing is the season of dry lips. I had a beauty experience yesterday and two of the women completely unsolicited asked me about what we had for dry lips. And so of course my recommendation was satin lips for those lovely ladies because it is amazing. So if you have someone with dry lips, first let me tell you the hand softener from our Satin Hands set or the extra emollient night cream, they're very similar products. Those at night, all night going in to their skin, it will penetrate and deliver a lot of moisture to that area. And so that's my number one. If they're really desperate, they need to do that super thick stuff on their lips. Now, the other thing, if it's more of just kind of a general dry lips or they just want to start with something different, Satin Lips is amazing. You've got the sugar scrub, and that is that tiny gritty particle. You rub it all over the lip like a mask, so they should have a white film on their lips and let it dry for a minute. After that, just take a wet cloth, wipe it off, and then put on the Shea Butter Balm. And this hydrates lips for 6 hours. It penetrates in because it doesn't have the beeswax and the stuff that makes it sit on top of the lips. It really penetrates well. And so it goes in, and I've told people I can break a chapstick addict with our balm. So the lip scrub and balm together resurfaces the lips and makes them feel amazing. So this is a really good thing to offer people this time of year, or even just let them try it, or just for fun with a group of friends. Hey, do you guys want to do a fun little like lip scrub and just like take 2 minutes? It's easy peasy. I guarantee you would sell a ton of these. So be thinking about that. That is a solution that we can provide for women this time of year. That's something I'm going to be teaching in my customer client group. I'm not pushing buy this, buy this. I'm going, hey, who's got dry lips? All right, here's a solution for you, and offer them those options. And then if there's anything else I can think of, like maybe using chapstick when they go outside in the cold weather, that's going to help be a barrier to protect their lips. So being as versatile as I can, but providing some value. That's my tip for you, is really hit that solution that we can offer for women with Satin Lips and the extra emollient night cream or hand softener. And just be intentional about letting women know what's out there, letting them know how you can help, or just sharing how your own lips are benefiting or how you're fixing a problem with your own lips. And it's amazing the impact that can make. So have some fun with those Satin Lips. And if you haven't tried them, you need to get you some because it is amazing.